In this video, we are going to focus on pre-algebra, where covers some common topics that you might see in this course. So the first thing that you need to able to do, add and subtract integers. For example, if you want to add 5 plus 3 is equals to add. Many of you know this, 5 plus 3 is 8. But if you have ever had difficulty with this type of note, use a number line. Let us add 5 plus 3 here. Let's start with number 5. You can start anywhere. Whenever adding a number with another number, you need to move to the right on the number line till add. If you subtract, travel to the left. So in this case, we need to add 3 to 5. We need to travel 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. This is 6, 7, 8. So therefore 5 plus 3 is 8. What about negative 4 plus 5? Let's use a number line to get the answer. So we're gonna start with negative 4 and add 5. So we're gonna travel 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5. That is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So minus 4 plus 5 is positive 1. Let's work on another example, 7 minus 5. So we're gonna start with 7 and this time subtract by 5. Here we need to travel 5 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 7 minus 5 is 2. What about minus 4 minus 2? So let's start with minus 4. Let's travel 2 units to the left. Here minus 3 is to the right and minus 5, minus 6 to the left. So minus 4, minus 5 and minus 3 here. And travel to the left, we get minus 6. So the answer is minus 6. Now what about this one? Minus 6 minus minus 3. If you see something like this, what will you do? We have two negatives. We have two negative signs, it is equivalent to minus 6 plus 3. So look at this on a number line. Minus 6 plus 6. So look at this one on a number line. We need to travel 3 units to the right. This is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. What about 8 minus 5? We start at 8 subtract by 5. So 8 plus negative 5 is equal to, so we need to travel 5 units to the left on the number line. This is gonna be 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3. So 8 minus 5 gonna be 3. What about multiplication? 8 times 3. It is simple to answer using multiplication. 8 times 3 means add 8 by itself 3 times. Okay, this equal 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 gonna be 16 plus 8, 24. So 8 times 3 is 24. What about 9 times 4? Add 9 with itself 4 times. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18, and the other two 9, 18. So 18 plus 18 provides 36. That's the final answer for this one. Try this one. Minus 5 times 3. This is equivalent to 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give you a negative result. So negative out of the bracket here. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, then it gives negative 15. Try this one again. Minus 6 times minus 8 is equivalent to 6 times 8. This means add 8 with itself 6 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 16 plus 16 plus 16. Add 32 plus 16. 48. Let's focus on division. What is 54 divided by 6? Here we need to understand that division is opposite of multiplication. 6 times by what provides 54? How many times 6 should be added to get the 54? That is 9. So 6 times 9 is 54. Therefore, 54 divided by 6 is 9. Try this one. Minus 45 divided by 9. In the same way, add 9 5 times with itself. Meaning 9 times what number provides minus 45? So minus 45 divided by 9 is equals to minus 5. That is adding 9 5 times it with itself. So the final answer is minus 5. What is minus 12 divided by minus 2? When we divide two negative numbers, the result is positive number. So this is equivalent to 12 divided by 2. 2 times what number provides 12? That is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Therefore, add 2 with itself 6 times. The answer becomes 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Therefore, 12 divided by 2 is 6. What about 8 minus 5 times 4? We have two options here. The first one is operates from left to right. The second option is operate from right to left. So let's do the first one. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 times 4, 12. Option 2, 8 minus 5 times 4. 5 times 4, 20. Then 8 minus 20 is minus 12. Here the two results are different. So which should come first? Subtraction or multiplication? Perhaps you heard about the term PEDMAS. P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D for division, A addition, and S stands for subtraction. Anytime you need to figure out which operation should come first, from right to left. Look at this expression. Multiplication has more priority than subtraction. That's how we use PEDMAS to know which operation comes first. Therefore, minus 12 is the correct answer. You can check it on the scientific calculator and feed this on it, and it provides the correct answer, minus 12. Now let's move on another example. Try this one. What is 6 plus 24 divided by 4? According to PEDMAS, division has more priority than addition. So PEDMAS D is at left of A, has more priority than A, than addition. So when we come to right to left, division has more priority than addition. So we need to work on division first. 6 plus 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So the answer is 12. Let's try another example. What is 8 minus 5 times 7? So should we subtract or multiply first in this case? In this case, you should subtract in the parentheses, since P is on left side of the multiplication. So let's do the bracket first here. 8 minus 5. 3 times 7. The answer is 21. What about here? 24 divided by 4 times 3. Should we perform division or multiplication? Now, according to PEDMAS, appears that multiplication has more priority than division. These two terms, multiplication and division, you see, multiplication and division, they have the same priority. And addition and subtraction also have the same priority. In 24 divided by 4 times 3, which comes first? You need to travel from left to right. Okay, let's do this one. 24 by 4, 6 times 3. The answer is 18. Let's do it in the other way. 24 divided by 4 times 3. So 24 divided by 12 gives 2. As we can see, we get different answers here. If you type this on a scientific calculator, will give you 18. So do from left to side to right side, not to the reverse. What about problem that looks like this? What about a problem that looks like this? 24 divided by, in bracket, 4 times 3. So in this case, what we should do? According to PEDMAS, P has more priority than division. So we need to work on the bracket first. So 24 divided by 12, 2 is our answer. If you type it as the way you see on the scientific calculator, you should get 2 as an answer. What is 48 divided by bracket 8 minus 2 times 3? So first we need to work inside the parentheses. You see here, 48 divided by 6 times 3. Now we need to work from left to right here. 48 divided by 6 times 3. So 8 times 3. Our answer becomes 24. Let's do this one again. 32 minus 24, the whole over 8 divided by 2. This is equivalent to 32 minus 24 is 8 over 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 8 over 4 becomes 2. Try this one. 7 in brackets 9 minus 4 and 3 close bracket 4 plus open bracket 8 minus 2 divided by 2. The first one here, parentheses 7, 9 minus 4, 5, 7 times 5, 35. And the second one, you see here, 3, 8 by minus 2 is 6, so it becomes 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Then 3 times 4 plus 3, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. So here, yeah, 3 times 4 plus 3, 3 times 7 equals to 21. This is our final answer. Sometimes you need to evaluate algebraic expressions. Example, x times y the whole over 2 plus 5. You told that x is given. X is equals to 4, y is equals to 3. So our work is here, simply substitute on the algebraic expression. So it becomes, here x is 4, y is 3. So let's substitute. 4 times 3 over 2 plus 5, 12 over 2 plus 5. Then 12 over 2 is 6 plus 5, 11. Let's work on another example. An algebraic expression for x plus 3y minus 2z, where x is 5, y is equals to 2, and z is equals to 3. Now let's substitute and operate accordingly. 4 times 5 plus 3 times 2 minus 2 times 3. Here, 4 times 5, 20. 3 times 2, 6. Minus 2 times 3 is again 6. So 20 plus 6 minus 6 is 0. So the answer becomes 20. Let's do another algebraic expression. 5x minus 2 in the bracket y plus z, where x is 3, y is 7, and z is 4. Now substitute in the given algebraic expression. 5 times 3 minus 2 times 4, 7 plus 4, then it becomes 15. Yeah, so 15 minus 2 times 11 is equals to 15 minus 22, which is 7, minus 7. Try this one again. X squared minus y squared, the whole over, for x, for z plus 8, where x is 8, y is 6, z is 4. Let's substitute in the given algebraic expression here. 8 squared minus 6 squared over 4 times 4, that z is given 4, plus 8. Here 8 squared means 64, minus 6 squared 36, the whole over. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 8. Then here subtraction on the numerator, 28 over in the denominator 24, Let's express 28 as 7 times 4. The numerator 28 is written as, for the sake of simplifying, 7 times 4 over, again 24 means 6 times 4, so 4 is cancelled by 4, equals to 7 over 6 is our final answer. Let's try another algebraic expression and solve using distributive property. That is 3 in bracket x plus 4 So let's simply simplify using a distributive property because we don't know about the values of x. So it becomes here 3 times x is 3x plus again 3 times 4, 12. This is our final answer, the simplified one. Let's try this one again. 4 in a bracket 2x minus 3. Let's use distributive property at the above one. 4 times 2x, 8x minus 4 times 3, 12. This is the final answer. Sometime you may have some algebraic expressions like the given expressions 5x plus x. So we can add like terms here because they have the same terms. So we need to write this as by adding the coefficients 8x. Again 7y plus 2y plus 8. 7y plus 2y plus 8. Add the like terms here, y terms, 7 plus 2, 9y, and the constant 8, 9y plus 8. Now after this, we cannot add 9y with 8 because 8 is constant. It doesn't contain a variable y. We cannot say 17y or 16y or 17. Simply write 9y plus 8. What about this one? 3 in a bracket x plus 5 plus 8x. In this case, first we need to work on the distributive property. Let's distribute 3 times x, 3x, again 3 times 5, 15 plus 8x. Now collect like terms together here. 3x and 8x are like terms, so 3x plus 8x, 11x, then take the constant 15 as it is, so our final answer is this one. Let's try again here. 9x plus 5 minus 0x plus 8. Let's simplify this one. Collect like terms first here with the same variable and constants together. 9x minus 0x is 6x. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 6x plus 13 is our final answer. Let's solve simple linear equations like x plus 4 is equals to 11. Ask that what number is added to 4 and gives 11. But how we can do it mathematically? What number plus 4 provides 11 is 7 plus 4, 11. But how we can do it in mathematical way. So x plus 4 is equals to 11. We need to move the constant or the like term to the right side and subtract. So it becomes x should be left on the left side, and 4 is going to be taken to the right side and subtracted from 11. Therefore, x add negative 4 on both sides, then x is left here, which is 7. So we're gonna write this one as x is equals to 7. So this is our final answer.